Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dad from Trading with Dan here. This is our Monday morning Bitcoin update and look at the major markets as well. So yeah, over to Bitcoin first. We're very quick on Bitcoin because obviously there is not a lot going on here. We are awaiting we're awaiting some direction from the major markets. Are we going to hold this zone and push our way up towards that 14k level, or are we going to lose this 13k level and try and find some support somewhere within the 12 to 13k levels? So sorry, not Bitcoin. DXY has had a little bit of a move up this morning. Nothing too major. It looks like it's just consolidating. It's just in a tightening range here, as we can see. So it is going to probably be the decider for Bitcoin. Have we just come and tag this level again? And are we going to break it back down and continue our move down, or are we going to actually take it out this time after a correction off the 4-hour 9? And then this being the next target, which I do think we spoke about in last night's video. Yeah, this being the next target to the upside, and then to see if we get rejected there, or whether we are gonna actually go more bullish in the DXY, which I don't think is the likely scenario. I think this is just some consolidation awaiting the next leg down. But obviously, yeah, we'll have to see how that does play out. We'll have a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum US dollar has got back into this nice zone here, which is pretty much the equivalent of the 12 to 13k zone for Bitcoin. So yeah, that is it's nice to see us up there looking like a bull flag. So if we can make more progress to the upside here, that would look very good. The Ethereum Bitcoin pairing though, still looking pretty bearish here. Had a nice move up, got rejected at a horizontal. So can we put in a low anywhere around here? Not take out this low, but yeah, put in a low here, and then turn around and actually take out this horizontal fully and formally, get back into this zone, and then hopefully ultimately into this area. Then yeah, that would look very good for Ethereum. But as it stands at the moment, as you can see, not looking too fantastic. Also, the BTC dominance as well. You can see, it's pretty much holding right under this level we've got drawn in. So, which coincides with where do we draw it from? Let's go to the daily. Yeah, you can see it's basically this level here. So yeah, we can see that is where we are residing currently at the moment. So yeah, if we break above here, things could get pretty nasty for alts. But if we do manage to turn this around, start to come back down and lose this trend line, then things will look very, very good for alts. Gold and silver hanging around in there as well. Lost the trend line. I mean, they're looking like they're in a more of a channel, more of a horizontal support and resistance area, which is what we prefer to use anyway, as opposed to trend lines. But yeah, straighten that up a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, the silver has got to its trend line. So it is a case of will it get supported by this trend line, move its way up, and then potentially break through this upside resistance, or are we in for a correction in silver? I think a lot will be decided this week. Stocks also a little bit weak into the morning futures. So. But obviously that could turn around at the open. But yeah, we did know that looking at the weekend Wall Street, they were trading a bit lower. But yeah, I think again it's just a game. It's a game of stimulus really, and rhetoric towards that, and hopium and expectations and amounts and timings for stimulus, and that's really going to drive things this week. And yeah, I mean that is going to be the name of the game. We're going to potentially either have a massive euphoric rally. We're going to have potentially a big dump. But you guys know my view on the downside. I don't think we're going to get a big dump even if they delay the stimulus, because I just think it just means more stimulus is coming later. So that will just get priced in. So yeah, that is it, guys. Welcome again to the new trading week. Happy Monday, everybody. And yeah, I will speak to you guys later on today.